The job demands at the moment is certainly within the carpentry area where we need builders.
Everyone dreams to build their own house.
It's a lovely environment to work with.
사실 제가 카펜트리를 어렸을 때 하고 싶었어서 아버지도 목수이시고.
About houses and properties, and yeah, I have been dreaming that for all my life.
Building industry is huge in Australia. There's a lot of money involved in it.
It's really cool how to learn how to build a house.
We start with theory in the classroom. Some of the competencies have drawings with them, so once that's all finished, we head out into the prac room, and as these guys learn more through seeing and doing and through videos and do practical work, so we concentrate very heavily on that.
총 2년 동안 하는 거는 이제 한 30과목 정도 돼요. 이제 올거나이즈라든지 플랜부터 배우고 월이나 이제 천장, 그리고 이제 바스 부분이라든지 키친 쪽 이런 여러 가지 파트별로 나눠서 배우는데.
Yes, I have seen a lot of these guys change since they started.
이해 못하는데 어느 정도 지나간 데서 넘기는 게 아니라 다 찝어서 알 때까지 알려주시고.
They're ready to go out at the end of this course and work alongside, builders and carpenters here.
모르고 일할 때보다 알고 일하니까는 도움이 많이 되고.
Look, I think one of the most important parts of their training is that use the opportunities and the contacts they make while they're here studying.
There's always been a big call for good carpenters.
My plan is to be a builder.
You can establish your own business, be your own boss is always a wonderful thing.
Best thing I would say is the ability to run your own business.
Let's go and do some building course.